Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I will give you some tips how to travel cheap in Turkey. So, let's go! Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about the transportation in the city Antalya. So the first step, if you are going from the airport and you are a backpacker, want to travel cheap, you have to take a tram. This is the best way to get to the city center. So, but what to do? You cannot pay cash in the tram, so you have to buy the ticket like this. So, how to do it? In the beginning of the tram, at the tram stop, there is a machine. So you have to pay 7.5 Turkish lira cash or by bank card for a city card. This is around €1 or $1. So after you get it, you put some money here. So one way ticket for one person, it's 7.2 sorry, 3.2, so around 50 cents for one way. So after you pay this money, you can go any bus stop, any stops. So this line is a direct line to the bus station of Antalya. And from there you can go to other cities, so I will tell you later about it. But what I want to tell you, there are some scam at this bus the station, because the people coming to you and ask you to put your money to not for your card, for their cards. So one man is coming to us, we didn't know how to buy the ticket like this, and he came to us and told to us, so put some money here and you can go. But it was his card, not our card, and after we will put it, he can fly away from us, but we didn't put it and asked other people how to do it. So there are another line in in Antalya. There are only two lines of trams, and another line you can change in the near of Murat Pasha station, and you can go to the beach, the city beach. It's a free. I will tell in another videos. You can subscribe to my channel, and this is really convenient. But if you are going to go back to the airport, you have pay attention. It's very important because it's a one line but two direction. So if you go back, so you have to see at the shield and the writing on a tram, because you need to go in a tram. You will see two how it's in Turkish Kalamati or something like this, so to the airport. Every time you can ask somebody at the station, because there are the workers, and you can ask them, I need to go to the airport, and they will tell you, take this one, this tram, or take another tram to go to this station. So, other information about how to travel cheap in Antalya, there is in another my videos. I hope this information was helpful for you and wish you good trips in this beautiful country. So, bye bye.